Inside the school building, about to start my day. I see my lover with my school enemy, and my heart stops to see this with my own two eyes looking forward. What a bully. She betrayed me for this guy who's been so cruel to me. Why did she leave me? What did I do to deserve this? I'm feeling so much more like I'm about to blow up. The lamb I waited to be stepped on. I got beaten down by enemies and his friends, and I struggled to get up. What a bully. I see my lover with my school enemy, and my heart stops to see this with my own two eyes looking forward. She betrayed me for this guy who's been so cruel to me. Why did she leave me? What did I do to deserve this? I'm feeling so much more like